Want some more, Bobby? Oh, that was not a good one. Do you like it? Is it good? Yeah? And some more? Okay, settle down. Here you go. Open your mouth. Good boy. That was good. What do you think? Pretty good stuff? Really good stuff, I know. Okay, you want some more? Hold on. Okay, calm down. There you go, babe. Oh, Mama's making a mess all over. How's that? Yummy yum? You're excited about it, I see. Yeah. Okay, you want some more? Or are you gonna dance a bit? Here you go, baby. Okay. Okay, chew and swallow. Oh, good job, yeah. You got almost half of that in your mouth. Yeah, it's pretty funny, huh? That's really funny, I think. Hysterical.
That is funny stuff.
See, Daddy even thinks it's funny. Okay, you want to take another bite? You want some more? He gets excited every time I put the spoon there. Here, babe. Open. Oh, that was a bad open. Hold on, Mama's got to take the rest of it off your face. Okay, here we go. Got some more.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, go ahead, eh? Mmm.
Yummy.
Mmm.
Hangar door.
Good squash.
Let's do that airplane game.
I tried it. He wasn't so into it. Need some more? Oh, yum, yum, yum. Is it not good?
No, it's on his cheek.
Want some more? No? Yes? Okay. Get it off the cheek.
Woo.
Good stuff, huh? Yeah. Oh, you're still chewing on that one. Yeah? Is it good? How good is it? If it's really good, do a little dance for me. No, it's just a little bit good? Okay, want some more then? Oh, that's good. What a good little boy you are. Yeah? Yeah? Do you like squash? It's pretty good stuff, huh? Pretty good stuff. And some more? Oh, big bite. What a good boy. Yum. Then we're going to try carrots next time. And trust me, if you like squash, you'll like carrots. Carrots are better. Carrots are yum yum. A little bit more if you want to finish it. You hungry still? Guess so. Another bite? Riley? Ry? Hi. Hi, baby. Yeah. Here you go.
He's getting full now.
I think so. Let me try one more bite.
Wow, look at the face on him. He's like, I can't believe how full I feel.
You want one more? Oh, big boy. I think that's good enough, huh? Good boy. You ate so much squash. Riley?
Riley, we love you.
Ooh. Okay. Bye, baby.